Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how I was able to purchase my fourth property. And if you guys want more information about becoming financially free at a young age, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure and comment below the video with freedom if you are ready for financial freedom. Also, like this video and share it with others that would find this information valuable. So let's dive right in and talk about how I was able to buy my fourth property. So right now I have two townhomes and a condo, and now this fourth property is a single family home, which I was super excited to purchase and a little nervous. But anyway, let me tell you how I was able to buy this fourth property, because I did it differently than I did with my other three properties. I started investing in the stock market in individual stocks about 4 years ago. And I've just been, investing and buying and holding for the long term is the main strategy that I have for investing in the stock market. And I've just, been doing that over, about 4 years, so not super long. And recently I decided I wanted to switch out some of that money from the stock market and put it into real estate. I love investing in both items, in the stock market and in real estate. But I kind of like the cash flow of real estate, and I really don't mind taking care of the properties. And if you're thinking about real estate and you're kind of hesitant about that, you can definitely get a property manager, and they would handle a lot of the things that you would have to take care of. So anyway, that is just a little side note for you. But since I wanted to switch over my money from the stock market to real estate, I was looking for another property to purchase. And I happened to find one, which I was super excited about. And I actually put in 3 offers before that and didn't get any of those properties. And I was a backup offer for this property that I just purchased. But for the down payment, I took out a good chunk of my stocks to put towards the down payment on my house, which has worked out great for me. The stock market is up, so I made a ton of money from the stocks that I had in there over the past few years. And now I've switched that over to real estate, and I can start receiving passive income from my rental property. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and hopefully just kind of open up your mindset about investing and making your money work for you. So you can choose how you want to invest your money. Maybe you want to only stick to the stock market and keep things really simple. That's a great way to do it. And if you change your mind later, then you can switch over and invest in real estate or another way that you would want to invest your money. So when you start investing, opportunities start opening up for you, and your mindset just changes on, okay, how can I make more money, or make this money work for me, I should say, or what other opportunities are available to help increase my cash flow, if that's what you're looking for, or your passive income. So hopefully this helps a little bit, so you can kind of see, you don't always have to stick to one type of investment, because I started with stocks and moved that over into real estate. So you can kind of just go with what your preference is currently, and then you can change it later if you need to. The key is to actually get started, though. That is critical, because the earlier you start investing, the more money you'll be able to have, because it will grow over time exponentially. And I did another video about compound interest, so you can check that video out. But just getting started is really critical. And I do have a course, Buy Your First Stock in 48 Hours, and it walks you through how to actually buy your first stock very simply. I give you step-by-step instructions and tutorial videos. So I will leave that in the link to that in the description below. You can check it out if you want to. And hopefully you guys just are starting to think about different ways that you could invest your money, and you can start really small. It doesn't have to be a large amount either. And, like I said before, if you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below with how you want to invest your money. I would love to hear it, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right, thanks.